love to make things because there's a sense of satisfaction when it's done. It requires a lot of mental and physical planning. In a way, the more complex the project, the happier I am. It's just about a sense of achievement, really. Yes, you certainly come up against some brick walls, whether it's building a car or building a plane. The part I most enjoy is the problem-solving aspect, I think, where at one stage you can't imagine a way through, but taking it bit by bit and getting help wherever necessary, you end up with the right result. And sometimes it's a case of just going away from it and coming back to it another day. What I love about the car is that it's not quite unique, but almost unique. It puts a smile on my face when I'm driving it. I know it puts a smile on Vivian's face when she's with me. And it also puts a smile on the faces of almost everybody we pass by. I also built a business, a networking business. But after 3 or 4 false starts with companies which failed us in various ways, before I found the company we're with today, which delivered all the promises which I dared to believe the network marketing concept could deliver, and I haven't been disappointed. It brings me a feeling of great achievement, almost total satisfaction, something we always dreamed about, but often never really believed we could achieve, but by plugging away, we have been able to achieve it, and it's given us time, it's given us choices, it's given the opportunity to do lots of things together that we would have never otherwise done before. And she's even said she'll come flying with me a second time. With each successful challenge, you're a stronger person. I'm John Ellis, and I make things. I'm a husband, I'm a senior manager, and I am forever.